Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. I'm a hauling quiz to tell you in this tutorials how to especially recover your email ID without having the registered recovery mobile number or recovery email ID. Here, one of my audience, especially who has especially recommended to other recover this particular ID, that is a top of Xiaomi 15 especially. Now we would like to, when we go in a Chrome browsers to other recover, then it's a saying that go for next, and after entering of it here, it's a saying either you have a choice that enter your the password and you can recover, otherwise try another way. So don't worry, if you are see right now here is asking so that a phone number we don't have, so just we will go for don't have. Now see here, it's a saying that I couldn't sign in you. So here, after all, we will have to provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account belongs to me. Yes, and this can be possible if I go for fill all the information that is being recommended by especially Google's. So we will see step by step here and how easily. Unfortunately, especially my friends who has lost especially this email ID and has recommended not a email ID only once. Actually, he lost his device also today. So especially here, I decided to save some of the data and upon of course see if I able to be save of this data or not. But however, we will try to recover. So while recovering of this, what are the challenges that we are facing here, or of course how do we can recover it? Say step by step we will see here the live here. So see, we cannot go for try again, so because we have done the multiple times, but still let's see one more time we would like to try here. Just we will go for next, and here we will go for try another way. We don't have the password, so now this number is asking, so just we will click here. We don't have. Now as we see here, couldn't sign. So simply you have to do nothing now. We will have to become the Play Store. In the Play Store you will have to especially download one Kiwi browser fast and quaint. This is very efficient and of course working very fast for recovery of either it is a social media, especially Facebook, Twitter, or of course Instagram, or as well as especially Google's in the password. So now see here, they have already done the issuance. Install it. You can install. Just I have installed. So where it is, just we will check it out in a Kiwi browser. Just we will try to let's see. So just we will write here. Yeah, it is. We will open it, and upon of course it is asking. We will have to navigate the speech line. Go for continue. Now here simply we have options, that is especially here in a search bar we will have to type Google, and upon is in just click on Google, and upon of course we will have an opportunity. We will go in a sign. Here it is sign in. In sign in, of course we will have to type here that particular ID. This is, and we will go for next now. So here is also demanding the password. Of course what we have to do here, just we will click here forget password, and now see here is asking that phone number we don't have, so just now we will back it. Now it's saying also couldn't sign in. Here we are not going to especially try, otherwise this account will be freeze and Google will trust the easily detects that especially I'm trying to recover the particular that ID that doesn't belong to me via a different browser. I'm the trying to especially I'm the recover, so there. So maybe it's suspicious, so that's why actually I'm not going to, because it would be a free. Just we will have to give the now substance information by the coming more tips to other cover that. So just we will cut it from here, and upon let's open a Google products, and upon we will hold this Google browser. We will go in app info. In app info, what we have to do, go guys, here we will have to tap on a permission, we will have to navigate the location. So first we will go for don't allow anyway, just we will have to select. Now see, now we will back, and thereupon once again we will back more time, and thereupon see open by default browser. Here we will open it, and thereupon we will clear all the preferences. Fine. Now it has cleared. Now we will disable it. Now we will back, and of course once again we will have to pick especially Chrome browser. Now this is also product of, so this Chrome browser, let's see, app info we will go, and thereupon of course we will come the permissions to, of course we will go for location to, of course here is already don't allow, select this one, once again we will go for, and thereupon if I go for here precise make it disable, and thereupon we will go for don't allow. So now we have done it. Now once again we will back here guys, and thereupon here what we have to do, once more time we will come, let's see on this Chrome we will go for here, we will in the permissions to, we will check it out, of course location, it's already done guys. So we'll back and we will check it out, defaults or browser app, click on here browser app, and thereupon as we see here the one is a Kiwi browser, of course we will have to select this fields, and thereupon we will back. Now it's the time to, let's have the crucial actions. Just we will go in the setting to, of course we will have the come in a Google service. So where it is, Google service, of course here it is, Google service and preferences, of course we will select this ones, and thereupon of course we will click on a three dot, we will get the help. You will be now landed here. Just in a help search bar you will have to explain your the problem. So of course lost phones. Now we will go for here proceed the next, fix the common issues, of course we will go with this ones. Now we will have the last one option, that is a recover your accounts. Of course here is a tips to complete your accounts recovery, and thereupon of course here is the account page, just we will open it, and thereupon let's see. Now here is asking that particular ID, of course we will go for this, and thereupon of course we will go for next. See guys here directly would we landed here. Now here what do we have to do here? Just we have the two options. So just firstly we will have to go with the especially update password. Don't click on especially continue, otherwise of course you will have the problem here, that the problem that yes, Google will ask especially some the particular especially security key while generating option. This is especially Gmail ID. So here the what we have to do here, just we will have to go for update password, and upon here as we see we have an opportunity to create the strong password here without doing anything. So directly you can skip it also guys, here is the options, but of course right now we are not going to escape. Just we will generate here the password, and upon of course we will go for, after generating a strong password especially also of course we can remove the especially particular the registered number Gmail ID or a particular especially registered phone number or especially any Gmail ID that is linked to, and that we can add here also new by going the security. And here is create, so just while the recording this we cannot generate here this especially, so just this is all about. Now that we have an opportunity to generate a new password here. So furthermore any inquiry, of course if you found some this is benefited, and in any way especially to recover your the emails, and then don't forget especially like, subscribe, and share to these concepts, because this is things that as well inspire me a lot to the max such as informative tutorials guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.